guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today we are going to brainstorm a little bit of a reorganize of the pantry. This is not a major overhaul of the pantry, I just wanted to move a couple things around. Over some time I kind of realized that I didn't like where we had the pasta. It's a little too low, and so then it's really hard to see what we have and what we need more of, and also this rice shelf was just way too crowded. So I took everything out, I kind of reorganized, brainstormed a little bit, and then I put it all back in a way that I think worked out better. So come along on the ride and watch me brainstorm my way through this. So I love using this shelf riser for the pasta. I love being able to separate the boxes into two levels, and so then we can fit a lot more in one spot and still be able to see what we have. They're not like stacked on top of each other so that you can't get to them, and they're not stacked in front of each other so that you can't see them. So I decided that when I moved the pasta I was going to keep the shelf riser with it, and I just kind of moved things around and put them back where I thought they might work best. I did find that having the lasagna noodles here actually really bugged me. They stick out way too far compared to the other boxes. So I moved them around a little bit, but I did eventually use up some of the stuff in the pantry, and I was able to extend that shelf riser to make it longer, and then the lasagna noodles fit on the bottom a lot better. obsessed with the pantry, and anytime it's open, she has to be in it. So here you can see she is standing at my feet and crying up at me, so I thought she could say hi. So here I'm trying to figure out the best place that I can fit the cat treats in, and I decided I couldn't really find a good spot just yet. I am hoping over time we can start using up some of this stuff in the pantry and not replace it, and that will free up some space. So for now, I just decided to stack a couple things and free up some space for the treats, and then someday I'll be able to reorganize again and make things flow a little bit better. And that is it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please be sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. And make sure you leave a comment letting me know what you want to see from me next. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.